Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we shall discuss about the location of Pakistan, which is the very first topic of the environment of Pakistan paper 2. Agenda of the presentation is set according to the syllabus, which is to identify the important latitudes and longitudes and to locate the neighboring countries, provinces and main cities on the map of Pakistan. Last but not the least is to describe the Pakistan's position in relation to others in South and Central Asian states. Before going to know the location, we need to know about the types of location. Yes, there are two types of location. One is absolute location, the second is relative location. What is absolute location? Location which use coordinates. Coordinates mean latitudes and longitudes. Longitudes are those lines which runs from north to south, mean from north pole to south pole. And latitudes are the parallel lines which are running from west to east, are called latitudes. So look at here, the latitudes and longitudes on the map. Total 5 latitude and longitudes you need to identify on the map. Number 1 is 30 degree latitude, and it is easy to identify because it is almost in the center of Pakistan. You can see near the south, in the south of Quetta, DG Khan and Multan. Another longitude is 36 degree north latitude, which can be identified as it is near the Chitral, in the north of Chitral. So it is simple to identify, and rest 3 longitudes are required to identify on the map as per your syllabus. These are the 64, 70 and 76. So it needs some practice. Next is the relative location. Relative location refers to the position of a place with respect to other relation. Relative, this word, you may have heard about this word. You definitely are familiar with this word, relatives. We all have relatives. Who are the relatives? Relatives to whom we have some relations. So when we describe the location, making some relation, so is called relative location. To be on a lighter note, एक दोस्त ने दूसरे दोस्त से पूछा कि आपका घर कहाँ है? दूसरा दोस्त बोला मस्जिद के सामने. उसने पूछा कि मस्जिद कहाँ है? तो जवाब दिया मेरे घर के सामने. So it means he used relation of mosque to describe his location of home. So this is all what is the relative location. You can see the location of Pakistan, the relative location of Pakistan. So here the continent map, you can see there are 7 continents: North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, and last but not least is Asia, in which Pakistan does lie. Pakistan in the world, here you can see the location of Pakistan with reference to the oceans. If we make reference or try to make relation, try to describe the location of Pakistan in relation with the oceans. So Pakistan is located the Pacific, in the west of Pacific Ocean, in the south of Arctic Ocean, in the east of Atlantic Ocean, and in the north of Indian Ocean. Here is the north symbol or north sign on the slide. Sometimes students are pretty sure about the north and south, but they get confused when they have to write W, E, west and east. So how we can remember where to place W and east, mean west and east, like we write V, W, E. So we cannot write V, E and W. So the same W will be placed on the left side and east E will be placed on the right side. And in between, the area between the north and west is called northwest, and the area between the north and east is called northeast. The same is in the southeast and southwest. Now here the question is, describe the location of Pakistan with reference to South Asian countries. So what are the South Asian countries? Number 1, Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Maldives. These are 7 countries comes in South Asia. So Pakistan is located in South Asia. Where is Pakistan located in South Asia? So you can see Pakistan is located in the northwest from South Asian countries. Question can be, where are the South Asian countries located from Pakistan? So then you can see these countries are located in the east, and we can call it countries are located in the towards northeast, or we can call it countries are located, South Asian countries are located in the southeast from Pakistan. Here are the Central Asian states. So these states are Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan. So these states are called Central Asian states. Now question is, describe the location of Pakistan with reference to or in relation with the Central Asian states. So the location could be, yes, it is in the, Pakistan is located in the southeast, from Central Asian states. On the other hand, if the question is, where are the Central Asian states located from Pakistan? I'm going to repeat, where are the Central Asian states located from Pakistan? So then from Pakistan, here we have the northern areas of Pakistan. So from Pakistan, these states are located in the northwest. So these countries, Central Asian states, are located in the northwest. Yes. And now the neighboring countries of Pakistan, easy to describe for you. Like China is located in the north or northeast, you can call it. India is in the east. Afghanistan is in the northwest. Iran in the southwest. Whereas in the south we have Arabian Sea. Here you can see a very small portion of Afghanistan, which is the area of Wakhan. Otherwise, we could have border with Tajikistan. This is only 20-kilometer area. If Pakistan could purchase or Tajikistan, then we may have border with Tajikistan as well. It is, you can call it, the nearest country which do not have border with Pakistan. Next is the administrative divisions of Pakistan, which you know there are 4 provinces: Balochistan, Sindh, Punjab and KPK, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Administratively, here is FATA, Federally Administrative Tribal Area, which is no more under federal administration. It is the part now KPK, but as per your syllabus, we need to locate it on the map. We need to identify the location of FATA, and here is in the northeast, there is Gilgit-Baltistan, here is Azad Kashmir, and this is Jammu and Kashmir. The major cities. There are many major and minor cities on the map, but according to the syllabus, the cities which you need to locate on the map are Karachi, Hyderabad, in Balochistan, Gwadar, Quetta, and here it is Nowkundi, in Punjab, Multan, Faisalabad, Gujranwala, Lahore, Sialkot, Rawalpindi and Islamabad are the twin cities. In KPK, Peshawar, and here it is Chitral. So these cities location you need to practice. Here is a checklist. You can analyze yourself where like Arabian Sea. If you are pretty sure, so you can tick mark in green box. And if you are reasonably confident but need some practice that where is Arabian Sea, so then you can tick mark in the A, mean amber, mean yellow box. Or if you are unsure or there is lack of confidence, so then you can tick mark in red box. So this was all about today's presentation. Thanks for your patience. Keep watching upcoming videos on difficult topics and tips on paper 2. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.